Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 10 freezers on the market. Let's dive into the details of each model to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Igloo 3.5 CU. Featuring chest freezer, white. The Igloo chest freezer offers a spacious 3.5 cubic feet capacity, perfect for homes, garages, and RVs. With a front defrost water drain and a removable basket, it provides convenient storage and easy maintenance. The sleek white design adds a touch of elegance to any space. Pros. Ample 3.5 cu. Fort capacity. Front defrost water drain. Removable basket for easy organization. Cons. Limited temperature adjustability. Number 2. Midea 7.0 cu. Featuring chest freezer, white. Midea's 7.0 cubic feet chest freezer is a powerhouse with a removable basket and adjustable temperature control, making it ideal for kitchens, apartments, and offices. The white finish adds a clean and modern touch to your space. Pros. Spacious 7.0 cubic feet capacity. Adjustable temperature control. Removable basket for convenience. Cons. Higher price point. Number 3. Kismile 3.0 cu. FT compact upright freezer, stainless steel. Kismile's compact upright freezer, with a 3.0 cubic feet capacity, features a reversible single door and removable shelves. The stainless steel design lends a touch of sophistication to your home, kitchen, or office. Pros. Compact design with 3.0 cubic feet capacity. Reversible single door. Removable shelves for customizable storage. Cons. Slightly higher price. Number 4. EUHOMY upright freezer, 3.0 cu. Featuring silver. EUHOMY's 3.0 cubic feet upright freezer boasts a single door with a reversible stainless steel finish, making it suitable for various spaces. Its compact size makes it an excellent addition to homes, dorms, or offices. Pros. Compact 3.0 cubic feet size. Reversible stainless steel door, suitable for home and office use. Cons. Limited storage compared to larger models. Number 5. Northair 3.5 cu featuring chest freezer, black. The Northair chest freezer, with 3.5 cu. Fort capacity offers quiet operation and has 7 temperature settings. The black finish adds a sleek and modern touch to any room. Pros. Quiet operation. 7 temperature settings. 2 removable baskets for organization. Cons. Limited color options. Number 6. Midea MRU03M2 ABB upright freezer, 3.0 cu. Featuring black. Midea's 3.0 cubic feet upright freezer in black is perfect for kitchens, apartments, basements, or dormitories. It provides ample storage in a compact design. Pros. Compact 3.0 cubic feet size. Suitable for various spaces. Easy to organize with adjustable shelves. Cons. Slightly higher price point. Number 7. Kismile 7.0 cu. Featuring chest freezer. Kismile's 7.0 cubic feet. Chest freezer offers a standing top open door design with a removable basket. The adjustable temperature control ensures versatile storage options for your frozen goods. Pros. Spacious 7.0 cu. Fort capacity. Top open door design. Adjustable temperature control. Cons. Takes up more floor space. Number 8. Honeywell Mini Compact Freezer, 1.1 cu. Featuring black. Honeywell's Mini Compact Freezer, with a 1.1 cubic feet capacity, is perfect for countertops. The single-door upright freezer with removable shelves is ideal for homes, dorms, or offices. Pros. Compact and countertop-friendly. Reversible door for flexible placement. Removable shelves for customization. Cons. Limited capacity for larger items. Number 9. Uhomi 3.5 cu. FT chest freezer, black. EUHOMY's 3.5 cubic feet. Chest freezer combines a removable basket with adjustable thermostat settings, providing quiet and energy-efficient operation. Its freestanding top door design is suitable for various spaces. Pros. Energy-saving design. Adjustable thermostat. Removable basket for easy organization. Cons. Limited temperature adjustability. Number 10. BANGSON Upright Freezer, 1.1 cu. FT Mini Freezer. BANGSON's upright freezer with a 1.1 cubic feet capacity is a compact solution for smaller spaces. The single-door design with a removable shelf makes it suitable for home use. Pros. Compact and space-saving. Removable shelf for customization. Affordable price point. Cons. Limited capacity for larger storage needs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more.